Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Coinbase account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, go to coinbase.com and tap Get Started. Now fill in your details, your first and last name, your email, and create a password. Then tick the box to verify that you are 18 or older and tap Create Account. You will be immediately sent a verification email. So go to your mail and verify your email by tapping Verify Email Address. The next step is to add your phone number. Also add your country if it is not set by default. When done, tap Send Code. Now a verification code will be sent to your mobile device. Type in the code and tap Submit. You can now set up your bank card. Type in your details and tap Add Card. You can also skip this step if you don't want to add a payment method just yet. And that's how you open a Coinbase account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.